What's up, traders? Are you ready for today? NFP, the big day is here in just exactly 2 hours. We are gonna have the volatility we are expecting. Oops. Okay. And what we have non-farm payrolls, NFP. Okay, everybody is expecting NFP to be weak. Okay, we see the consensus here 170,000. Goldman this morning told us around 150. And now what? Now everyone knows that payrolls are gonna be weak. But what will happen if we have better than expected? Okay, let's see. Let's go to the charts. Okay, we see here price action Euro USD trading lower, making lower lows, lower highs, and currently we're exactly in the middle of the range. So what can we expect? Let me fix this. Okay. To be honest, I don't know. Everything is possible because everybody is waiting for payrolls to trade, and I know most of you are already in big positions and waiting the number to create the volatility we desire. Okay, now purely from price action, okay, it is bearish. So, depending on the outcome of the news, the most probable and expected result would be a spike higher, okay? But by all means, we must short the spike if we see it. And I say if we see it because I have a view that we're gonna see dollar going higher despite the number. But in case that we see a spike higher, it would be a gift for shorting above 109, as was also the call in the beginning of the week. And you saw what happened. We went above Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and we tested the resistance here and already trading 50 pips lower, 100 pips lower. So the best strategy if you are neutral is to wait any spike up to go short. Okay. Now what will happen if number is stronger? Then dollar is gonna appreciate very fast, and is gonna take out levels below 108, and I believe we are gonna trade to new lower lows below 107.30. This meaning more than 100 pips to the downside. Okay. So be ready. I expect at least 50 pips up and down after the news, so we can take advantage of this regardless of the outcome and the actual number. Same for the cable, trading exactly in the middle of the range and exactly above the support of 126.75. You see what is happening here. So same story here, okay, expecting above 128 short and below 125, 126 for going spec longs if we see the spike first, I mean, okay. Now USD CAD, it's a little bit tricky, clearly in the uptrend. I told you 135 is big, 134.95 is big support, and currently it's no by luck that we are trading before the event around this number 135. And the same story here, okay. I prefer to buy the dips towards 134.40, 50 if we see also moving average coming. And if number is strong, we are gonna see bigger number, I mean bigger than 136 print. Okay. Now DXY, it looks like USD CAD. So same story here. I analyzed Euro and GBP. And of course we tested the support yesterday and reacted higher, currently the middle of the range. Let's see. Now what is interesting is stocks, because stocks, whatever the outcome is, are going only up, because if news are bad, then we say okay, Fed is gonna pause, blah blah blah, cut rates. So this is gonna give a boost to the S&P. Now if a number is strong, same number, economy is doing well despite the rate hikes. So only way is up for stocks. Okay, of course there are gonna be dips, and you must take advantage of it. And the first important area is 44.80. Okay, if we see this dip towards here, 44.75 up to 88. This area here for support. Let me highlight it. It is this area here. Now to the upside, many resistances, 45, 43, and the absolute 46 that we are near the previous all-time high. Okay. Same for Dow. Same for Nasdaq. 15,800 is the top of the range, and the big support is below 40,700. Now, I know you all expect gold. What to say here? Gold has been very strong past few days, and I believe, okay, of course we broke this wedge finally and started trending higher, making higher highs and higher lows in since the beginning of last week. And I believe we are gonna have a move lower to test at least 1905, 1910. I don't know if we see this today, depends on the strong dollar or not. But to the upside, the levels are 1955, take out a pen and write. It is this 1955, $1971, and of course the high 1984. I don't believe we are gonna go that high. I believe mostly we are gonna test this 1955, 60, and then reverse lower to test the supports. Supports where? The first big level is 1926. This area here, okay. This one, I don't know what it is. Let me take it out. And of course 1913 and 1905, the big figure 1900 is the ultimate support for now. Okay, that's all my traders. Let's have a nice trading evening. See you in the Twitter feed for more updates.